Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Bitvavo. Let's begin. So, number one, you're going to log into your accounts in Bitvavo. Then number two, click on the withdraw button. You're going to see it on the right side of the screen here. So it's going to say withdraw with your specific currency that you use. So in this instance, it's going to be the euros. Then number three, enter the amount to withdraw and select continue. So there you're going to choose your amount, and it's going to give you a summary of how much you have in your account. Then number four, if you have multiple bank accounts linked, choose the bank account you wish to withdraw to. So you're going to change the bank account, you're going to select change here on the right side. Then you're going to select withdraw summary. Number five, verify the amount and the bank account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter your two-factor code. Then number six, click on confirm and withdraw. Withdrawals take 1 business day for Dutch bank accounts and 2 business days for non-Dutch bank accounts. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.